Hello, hello students. I am Anamika, and after a long time, today I come up with a new video of percentage and its application of class 7. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's start. So first of all, what is percentage? So what is percentage? A percentage is a way of expressing a number as a fraction of 100. Okay, what does it mean? It means whatever number you will say, like 50%, it means 50 out of 100. 20%, it means 20 out of 100. Suppose if you have 100 biscuits, okay, and you have eaten 20. So what does it means? You have eaten 20%. Why? Because you have eaten 20 out of 100. Okay, suppose you have an exam and you got 90 marks out of 100. It means you got 90%, right? But always it is uh, it is a way, we will express it as a fraction of 100. Means suppose you have a exam test of marks 25 and you got 24. So it doesn't mean like you got 24%. Okay, simple, because it is not out of 100, it is out of 25. So we will proceed and say how we will convert the fraction into percentage also. Okay. So first of all, clear your concept about percentage. Percentage is just expressing anything, any number out of 100. Okay, now understanding percentage. Fraction to percentage. Multiply the fraction by 100 simply. Like I have just told you that suppose you got 24 out of 25. You got the marks 24 out of 25 in mathematics test. Then how you will express it in a percentage. Okay, so in that time, what we will do, we will I'll show you how to express in that time. Okay, suppose we have got 24 marks out of 25. Then what we will do, we have to convert it into percent. We just multiply it with 100. Okay, and then solve it. Like what happened? 4. Okay, that will become 96. It means you got 96% marks or 24% marks. Okay, in this way we will convert fraction into percentage. Now what decimal to percent? Multiply the decimal by 100. In the same way, when we have to convert the decimal into percentage, what we will do, we will just multiply it by 100. Percentage is what? If we have any fraction, then we will convert it into percentage by just multiplying by 100. In the fraction case, we have what we have done, just multiply it by 100. In the same way, we will do for our decimal also. Okay, there are some examples like half. When we convert 1 by 2 into percentage, what happens? It will become 50%. Okay, 1 by 2, I'll show you one more example. See, like 1 by 2. What we have to do? We have to just multiply it with 100 and we will got our percentage. 2 5s are 10 and 0. Okay, that is 50%. Right? In the same way, 3 by 4, you can do it by yourself. Some of the examples. Okay, let's proceed. Use the formula percent into whole number divided by 100. How to calculate percent? Suppose if we have to calculate percent, let's go through the example. The things will be more clear. Suppose find 20% of 50. So then what we have to do? We know what is this. What does it means? 20% means 20% means, if we convert it into number, what does it mean? 20 by 100. What is percentage? Percentage is anything, any number out of 100. So 20% means 20 by 100. If we have to calculate 20% of 50, you can take a trick from there, like off means multiply, right? So you can do directly this way. This is for solving the method, but otherwise you have to understand 20% of 50. you have to find out 20% of what? Of 50. So we have to do 20 by 100 into 50. So our answer will be, we will got this 0 with this 0, this 0, this 0, then it will be 5 to the 10. So if you have to say like you have a 50 banana and out of them 20% is rotten, then what 20%, how much bananas are rotten? Then you will say it will be 10 this way. Okay. So real life example. Why we are learning this percentage. This percentage is very important. Like suppose sometimes we see there's some sale, 20% sale, 30% sale. Then how you will calculate that sale? How much amount you have to pay? Okay, how much amount you will be discounted? Isn't the shopkeeper sell you the things in the right amount, or they are doing some fishy things like that? Okay, sometimes exam scores also. I've told you, if you got uh, 24 marks out of 25, how you will convert it into percentage? In this time we need to know percentage. Okay, otherwise we are not able to calculate. Sport statistic statics, bank interest also. Suppose there is some interest always is in percentage. Like if you have go in the bank and take a loan, they will tell you, oh, you have to pay this much of this percentage of interest. Okay, in this way all the percentage is very important in the real life also. Yes, nutritional label on food packages. This is very important, right? You have seen most of the time in the packets, in the back of the packet, you can see there's some label, and within how this much percentage is ingredients. Ingredients are written in the percentage. Now discount problem. Okay, let's do some of our problems. Like original rate is we are Indians, so we will calculate in the rupees. Okay, so suppose that there's a tea set and the cost of t-shirt is 200, and they told you that there's a 25% off. Then how much money we have to pay to the shopkeeper? So what we will do, we will first write first what is given to us, the price, that is 200. Okay, now 20% off. Suppose we will calculate how much percentage is, how much money they have discount. Okay, so first we will calculate the how much money will be the 25% of 200. So what we will do, 25% means 25 out of 100. Okay, no problem. 25% of what? Of 200, right? What does it means? Means we got 50, right? It means rupees 50 they have discount. So we will find our cost price. Like original price is 200 minus 50. Minus 50, this is our discounted price. Then we have to pay rupees 150. Okay, no problem. We have to pay 150. Okay, understood. Let's proceed to our another example. Suppose in a class of 40 students, 60% passed the exam. How many students passed? You have only 40 students, so most of the students were confused there. Like the students are only 40 and people passed, they are 60%. Well, 60 is just out of 100. This is not 60, this is not a number, this is a percentage. Means 60%, that is 60 by 100. So again what we have to calculate, in the same manner we will calculate 60%. Means always convert it into 60. 60% means 60 by 100. Okay, now 60% of what? 60% of 40. Okay, I'm not able to write 40. Okay, and then when we will calculated, the answer will be 6 4 24. That is 24 students will pass the exam. Okay, I hope now the things will be more clear. So now summary of key points. What we have learned today. What is percentage? Percentage is just a way of expressing any number as a fraction, but that is out of 100. Always remember, percentage is always a number that is out of 100. Okay. Now, when we have to convert fraction and decimal to percentage, any number, if we have to convert a number into percentage, what we will do, we will just multiply it by 100. Okay. Suppose if there's a question like convert 40 into percentage, we will just write 40 into 100. That is percentage. Okay. 4 4 converted into percent, that will be 4 into 100 is 400%. That is okay, that will be the answer only. Okay, just multiply it by 100. Whenever we have to convert any number into to percentage, we will just multiply it by 100. Okay, and when percentage apply in many daily situations like shopping, discount, exam, that is and statics. Okay, so practice time. So let's do some example and comment me, solve it. Okay, what we will do, 15% of 80. 15% means 15 by 100. Okay, 15 by 100 multiplied by 80, and then when we solve we will got the answer. Again, 85% of 200. What we have to do, 85% means 85 by 100 into 200. Okay, so if you have any queries regarding percentage, feel free to ask me and comment me the question. I will definitely solve your query. Okay, thank you. Thank you guys. See you again. Have a good day.